Hello everyone, it's your boy Nicholas, and welcome back to another of Adventures with Nicholas. This is my assistant, which is my brother, Daniel. Okay, and we're going to make s'mores today. Hope you like it. So, the ingredients are 1 bag of marshmallows and 1 bag of Hershey little chocolate chips, and then you do the graham crackers, which I will show you. Yes, and first we will taste test it. Oh my god, that's actually really good. I forgot what they tasted like.
This is good. Okay, wrap it up.
Okay. So, let's get started. So, first we put the chocolate chips in.
A handful?
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Wait, no.
pour it. Okay.
Oh. I guess like all of it. And then, do we like spread it out?
Yeah, just spread it out.
To make...
Of course you want to wash your hands first.
Yeah.
Okay, next is the marshmallows. Grab a handful.
Oh, that feels so fluffy.
Oh my god, they feel like cotton balls.
Oh.
Okay, now spread it
Do we
out.
have to... I think we have to put all of them. Actually, a little more. One more. Some
Okay.
bit of
We
right here.
are doing the edges. Okay. Okay. Now we will put it in the oven for
8 to 10 minutes.
and
And it's the degrees is on
450
450.
degrees.
So, yeah. And then that's the stuff we put in.
We'll be right back.
Bye. Hello everyone. So welcome back. And
This is what it looks like.
this is what it looks like out of the oven. So, we're going to taste test it.
Either with a cracker or a spoon if you would like. But these look
Oh my
like
gosh,
little
that looks-
pieces of bread.
Oh,
my
mine's falling.
gosh. The chocolate's really hard.
It's a little bit hot, but very good.
Oh gosh. Okay, I got some. Remember to blow on it because it's still hot.
It's very sticky.
It's so creamy.
That tastes good. So I'm going to get a little bit of the chocolate. Yeah, squirt. Tastes good. Really good.
Remember to subscribe and like down below. Subscribe to the Flowbro Gamers and Nicholas's Adventures with Nicholas.
Bye. Hello everyone. This is another s'more video, but it's different. So for this one, the ingredients are tin foil and some bananas and some chocolate chips, Hershey chocolate chips, and little marshmallows. So,
And then graham crackers.
yeah, they're amazing.
But remember not to eat the tinfoil.
Yeah. And remember to wash your hands.
Mhm.
So we're going to start. So first we put the chocolate
Some
chips.
chocolate. Sprinkle them on there. Mhm.
Yum. So you don't have to do that. It's going to break. And it's about to break.
That's fine. I want to put some.
A little bit, one at a time. I'm sweaty.
It's hot.
And then after you put marshmallows up.
Those look yummy.
Oh, they do.
They're gonna be in my tummy soon.
Okay. And then you wrap it. It's called
a tent.
Okay. This is a little hard. Okay. And then, so yeah. And then I think you, and then you wrap it also. And then you bake it for 5 to 6 minutes. 4 to 5. And then
450 degrees.
Yeah, I forget sometimes. So we're going to put it in.
Yeah, we're gonna put in. Yeah.
Okay.
We'll be back.
We'll be back. Hello everyone. Welcome back. And today we are going to taste I call it banana boat because it looks like a boat with like little marshmallow people and then
We're going
to sprinkle
some
some graham crackers. So we're going to do that. Okay, a little bit got on the tin foil,
but that's
okay.
fine.
And then we're going to taste it. Okay, you got that piece. And then I have this one.
Yum. This is delicious. It's not hot.
Mm-hmm. You know that. It is really good. I can taste the tin foil a little. Okay, yeah, no, I'm not.
We gotta go. Bye.
Bye. Like and subscribe.
See you next time.
Bye.